Hopefully I can get it to unsolder. There we go. Basically, this is a tub and shower valve. So with the tub and shower valves, you have to cap this bottom piece off that would actually go to a tub. Just cap it off so no water gets through that way. But I think that's about it. Once we get that capped off, let's get this part soldered up. We'll turn this baby on and see what we got. Your little pretty beauty ring. Slide that on there. That's it. It's another job well done by Will. Now, the customer said that she did not want the shower head put on. Normally what we would do with this, we put a new shower arm in, which we're taking this old one out, and we'll put a new shower head on it. Well, on this one we're not going to do that. The homeowner kind of said she wanted to put a handheld in, so we'll probably just do that for her at a later date when she gets it. Other than that, we're going to clean up everything and try her out.